Oh, this feels so good. Bob! What? We have Frozone,
Violet, Elastigirl, and Mr. Incredible. The only ones we need are the Baby Jack Jack, Color Changer, and Dash. It's Tubi Toys. Do you know that Tubi Toys are out of this world?
Hey pals, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys and today with my awesome assistant.
And Tubi.
Can you say hello, Tubi?
Hello, Tubi.
Guys, today we have 4 Mashems to show you. We have Frozone, Violet, Elastigirl, and Mr. Incredible. We thought we had more Mashems, but unfortunately our delivery got totally delayed and they're not coming today. Isn't that a bummer?
Yeah.
Oh, so we just wanted to show you the Mashems again. Wait, what's that sound? Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Incredible. And I'm Elastigirl. Hey guys, what are you doing here? We heard your shipment of Mashems didn't arrive, so we brought you some of our own. Oh guys, you are so awesome. Guys, everybody please give Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl a thumbs up, please. Mr. Incredible, that was so nice of you. I know it was. Let me go get it. I'll be right back. Here they are. Wow, thank you so much. It's the least we could do, Tiffany. It's the least we could do, Tubi. We love you guys, and we love all of your Incredibles videos. We cannot wait for you to open these, okay?
And you can't wait for the movie?
We can't wait for you to see the movie, too. It's going to be fantastic. I mean, she means incredible. That's right, hun. All right, guys. Looks like we have to go enjoy these Mashems. What's that noise? You hear that rumbling? What was that? Oh, no! Helen, are you all right? Are you all right, Helen? I think I'm okay. Who did this? It's me, the Underminer! Helen, can you get up? I'll try. There seems to be a wall of Mashems. Looks like I'll be taking these. Stop it! You can't take them! Ugh! They're mine now. Thanks, Tubi Toys. You won't be needing these. Bye, Tubi Toys.
You're a fart, Underminer.
A fart? Learn how to talk to your elders. It's not nice to call people names. And if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all, Tubi. Goodbye, everybody. Mr. Incredible, Elastigirl, wake up. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what he did to us. Yeah, I don't know how I could pass out from Underminer. I'm stronger than he is. We gotta get up and help you and get them back. Oh. You guys sit tight. We're gonna get them back. Okay, Tiffany? Okay, Tubi?
Okay.
All right, Elastigirl, we trust you. Thank you so much. Well, I really hope they can get him back for us. We'll have to see what happens. I hope we can get him back for them. They're such nice kids. I know, Helen. I think I know where his lair is. Let's go. I got all the Mashems that I need. I have all the Mashems that I need now to finish my Orbeez melting pot. None of you can do anything about it. Oh yeah? We can do something about it. Haha, you think it's that easy? Helen, I can't get him. You know what to do. I got it. Don't worry, Bob. Good work, Helen. You gotta shut it off now. Can you extend your arm? Hurry up before he wakes up. I'm working on it. Almost got it. I almost got it, Bob. I did it. Oh, thank goodness. Oh. Wow, that was super easy. Let's hope he doesn't wake up for a while. Tiffany, Tubi, we got your Mashems back. Oh, it looks like you did. Oh no, he's stirring. Oh my gosh! He sunk under. You're gonna have to save him. Why do we have to save him? He's a bad guy. We don't have to save him. She's right, Helen. The supers, We'll never get any respect if we don't save everybody. Well, let me get in there. No, it's my turn. You stay here. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, stop biting me. I'm trying to save you. I don't want to be saved. You're pushing me down. Helen! Oh, I knew it. Here we go. Bob, I got you. Oh. Ow! He's biting me. You're crazy. Oh, my arm. You're coming with me, Underminer. Oh. All right, let's go, Bob. You guys enjoy your Mashems. But wait, Helen, there's a bunch of other Mashems in there. There's not just our Mashems. There's Mashems for like Peppa Pig and Disney ones also. Are you serious? How many Mashems did he take? Looks like he took a lot. We're gonna have to return them to the rightful owners. You guys can open up your Incredibles Mashems. I'm gonna have to return the other ones to the rightful owners, like Peppa Pig and the Disney emoji ones. All right, let's go. You're coming with us. Ugh. Can you help me fish out the ones that aren't the Incredibles ones? And you can keep the Incredibles ones. All right, Mr. Incredible. Let's get him out for him. Here's an Incredibles one.
Here's an Incredible one.
Ooh, I found a Disney emoji one. And ooh, I found a Peppa Pig one.
I found a
Ooh, it's another emoji. Ooh, another Mashem for Incredibles 2. Another Incredible. Another emoji. And this is the last one, I think. Oh, Incredibles 2. Oh, and then another emoji. Oh, this feels so good. Let's just turn this on before I turn you off. Put your hand in. Oh, this feels so good. Bob! What? We gotta go! The Underminer! We gotta take him back! Oh, sorry. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Wow, that was so cool of Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl saving our Incredibles 2 Mashems.
And some other ones, too.
Yes, they saved the ones from Peppa Pig and the Disney emoji ones, and now they're returning them to their rightful owners. That was so cool. Yeah. Let's open up this one underneath Violet. Let's hope we get Dash and this Baby mystery Jack. One that looks like Baby Jack. So far we have 4 of them. We need just the last 2. So we have Frozone,
Violet, Elastigirl, and Mr. Incredible. The only ones we need are the Baby Jack, color changer, and Dash. And I think the Baby Jack is Monster Jack.
Oh, I hope so. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. And if you haven't already, please ring that bell so every time we post a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified, especially with our giveaways. Uh-oh, let's see who we have. Who do you think we have? Let us know in the comments below. Who do you think the first one is? I hope it's Dash. Who is it? It's Dash! Woohoo! Yes! Awesome! And he is super squishalicious! He is so squishalicious! Wow, he is super squishalicious and he's super stretchy. And look at this. Oh my goodness. He is so squishy. You know what's so crazy about him though?
What?
His mask is like totally uneven. Look at that. Is it because like he was moving too fast and then his mask almost blew off?
I'm fast like that.
Yeah, he was born fast. I'm so happy we have him. Do you think we're gonna finish it the next one? Do you think we're gonna get Baby Jack?
Yes.
Okay, let's go underneath Elastigirl's section over here and let's see who we got.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Who do we get? No way! We got another Dash! That is too funny. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put this duplicate Dash back in its capsule. Let's move on to the next one. Who do you think it is?
Baby Jack.
You think it is?
Yeah. Baby Jack. We got another Violet!
It's another Violet, that's right. Look. Oh wow, she looks better than the other one. Let me check if that other Dash is mask is all messed up too. Ah, wrong one. Let's see if his mask is funny. Yeah, it's funny too. Funny mask. I'm telling you, it has to be because he's all like super fast. Violet, back inside. We're gonna take Frozone's pile away and we're gonna see what's underneath. Let's hope it's
Baby Jack-Jack.
I hope it is. I hope it is. I hope it is. Oh my goodness.
Another dash.
Oh my gosh. It's another dash. This is crazy. But his mask looks a lot, well, it looks the same. It looks so silly. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my gosh. Please, please. We only have 2 more left.
Yeah.
Please, please, please be the mystery one.
It's
Who
another
is it?
dash.
Oh, are you kidding me? There are so many dash. This is nuts. Oh my gosh, this is bad for us. Our last one is
Mr. Incredible.
okay. He has to have the mystery one. He has to.
Yeah,
It's crazy that he doesn't. Who we got? Please be. No way. Oh my gosh. I think it's another dash. That's so messed up. No way. We need the mystery one, guys. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. Let me put this back in there.
I bet it's hard to find me as a color changer.
Yes, I think you are absolutely right. Let's line them all up. Oh my gosh, guys. This is who we have. They are so super squishy, though.
It's a bummer that we didn't get Baby Jack, but it's cool that we got Dash.
I think it's cool. Yeah, I think you're right. Good, good. Give me a high five for your positive attitude. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to To Be Toy. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm pretty sure Elastigirl and Mr. Incredible are going to be returning those Mashems. So, thanks for watching, guys.
Have an incredible day.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.